Meat stock, the backbone of many soups and foods. Once you have this in the freezer, cooking delicious meals will be quick and easy. Here, I show you two different types of meat stock. The regular meat stock that you can use for things like stew, jollof rice, fried rice, spaghetti, moi moi, etc. And the native meat stock that you can use for local stew, palm oil rice, egusi, ogbono, my native bean soup, etc. The difference in the two is simply the type of spices used, not the type of meat. Note that you can use a combination of bones and different parts of different meats to do your meat stock. I use whatever I have available that my husband doesn't like seeing inside soup. Things like chicken leg, chicken heads, goat's mouth and ears, etc. Those were used for the regular meat stock. And I used goat's meat for the native soup just because I had that available and also because I love the taste. Feel free to use whatever you have available. You can also buy bones and other abandoned parts from the butchery. They produce very flavorful and rich meat stock. A better way to freeze your meat stock is using ice cube trays, the big ones, or lollipop molds. That way you can easily take the quantity you need without having to defrost everything and just drop it into whatever you are cooking to melt. This method I used is because of laziness. Don't do it. And by the way, I air fried the goat meat and put it in the freezer. And to the glory of God, it is finished. This is why I don't do fried meat as meal prep. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow with the next meal prep video.